literally see how this is vibrating. These mirrors are vibrating so badly. If I give it, it reduces when I wear it, but still this has this vibration. Vibrations are bad. And this is how the okay, so the meter board looks like this. Info trip A, trip B, auto. You have your time, still shows AM. Gear shift 0, fuel efficiency, speedo, neutral, off it, then on. Full swipe, max is 160. That's all. Battery is low. These are your switches. Here you have your pass switch. You do like this: high beam, low beam, indicators. So when I ride this, I feel this part is a little lengthier from my stomach. This board, and this handle is, yeah, it's a short handle. Let's see, how does the light look? Suppose I have to show the light. This is how the light looks. And the pause button, okay, I think I have to switch on the vehicle. There the light looks. The pause button, I don't know how much it costs you guys. Low beam, high beam, pause switch, engine kill. It looks neat, not bad. Small soft seats. This is the tail lamp looks, the LED. Beautiful. And look at the wire tires. Oh, so big. It's chunky, man. Chunky wheels. Let's look. That's a nice keychain. $5. You could have to stand in the traffic. Okay. So yeah, I'm 5'4", and my toes are touching that. That's it. I'm still, my legs are up. If I have to stand in the traffic, I have to stand like this. One leg down, another one is like this. But otherwise, it's, you can grab your thighs. I don't know how do you want to shoot. Shoot like this. It's nice, sturdy bike. This is a small ride review that I have for you. It's a heavy bike, but you don't feel it, and it's nice. All right, thank you.